Hey guys, and welcome back to another suspicious link video. To those new to the channel, to those new to this series, welcome. It's good to have some new faces, new people in the community, sharing their knowledge, sharing their thoughts, sharing their opinions, sharing their experiences. What we do in this series is we will click on the links that we have found through YouTube comments, find out exactly what's going on in them, and click through to the eventual endpoint to see what the aim of it is. For those returning viewers, again, hello. Good to see you again. You'll probably notice that I don't have my standard Kali background for this video, and that's because some of the links were not working on the desktop, so the Kali or Windows or anything like that. So what I've had to do is fire up an Android. So I've got an Android virtual machine here. So you can see here, this is my VirtualBox manager. I've got Kali. This is like a vulnerable operating system that I use to pen test. I guess I can't be using Kali anymore, so I'll have to get another Kali in here to be able to do my pen testing stuff. Then I've got Ubuntu, which is just another flavor of Linux. That's probably going to be used for the introductory course to Linux in an upcoming series. But then this one, Android. This is what we are after. So let's fire this one up. And we can dig straight into some websites. There, good enough. Okay, so in this episode, we are covering vog.today. There were some that just weren't working, but they gave me something kind of suspicious looking in the URL. And it wasn't until I decided I needed to dig a little bit deeper. So here we go. It didn't work for me on the Kali machine, but it works on mobile device. So some of these links, if you're seeing them and you're clicking into them and they're just not working, I imagine that's because they were pulled down. Unless you're doing it on a PC, then more than likely it's only going to be working on mobile devices. So who is the hottest one? I don't know. Just pick that one. Fantastic. I probably should have picked a different one so that the chest wasn't right in the middle of the text. Some of the rules. Oops. What have I done? Alright, it's giving us some different choices now. Okay. All that just for this one. I don't want to be sent notifications. I'll have to set up another virtual machine for, I guess, play. Say hi. Hi, bad boy. What are you doing here? Give me your email. Maybe I could send you my pics. Thanks for that. I'm sure it's an AI, but just send me more pics. You can send me pics here, but you need the email address. So this is the dummy account that we set up on the Kali machine. Looks like I'm going to have 2 completely useless machines. Well, I say useless, they're just going to be for all this sort of stuff. While we investigate. If that's not a dead giveaway to being fake, I don't know what is. You know, just before I was chatting to someone, and the second I typed in my email address, it all changes. Okay. Alright, let's try and find something that's not too intense in the editing. You're pretty blurred out. Cool. I mean, I'll play around just for the video's sake, just to point out more points of it being a scam. But let's just type in something silly, I think. I can't wait for Sons of the Forest. For those who don't know, Sons of the Forest is a game said to be coming out this year, based off of The Forest. So this is the next one. If you like horror, check it out. If you don't like horror, stay away from it because it was a very intense game. So here's the credits part. This is the end point. There is nothing beyond here that we can really be looking at, but we knew straight away. So anybody who's been watching my series, you know that as soon as we see this, it's fake. I guess explaining it for any new viewers. This will be in Australian dollars. So 3 credits is $8, and it's 1 credit per message. In Australia, $8 would get you, to say from the service station, for Americans is where you get gas, we call it fuel, you would get 2 Red Bulls for $5. That's effectively costing you 1 can of Red Bull per message. That's just ludicrous. We can send text messages now for free. So why would I pay to talk to someone that, you know, even if you were to take it legitimately, you'd pay a can of Red Bull to message someone that could potentially give you STDs or STIs, or I think they got rid of STIs now, it's just STDs. Or even worse. So that's going to cover it for this one, guys. Thank you very much for watching. But yeah, if you see XXXFUCKTOR website, you know it's a scam. You know it's fake. Don't even entertain them. It's probably more than likely trying to become something real, but because it's so young, it won't have the profiles for it. And with this sort of a hard sting in money, no one's going to use it. You basically throwing money at the wall. So, yeah, until the next episode, everyone, stay safe. Peace.